Good evening, graduates, faculty, family, and friends. Standing here today, I am overwhelmed with gratitude and pride as I address all of you as the valedictorian of the class of 2024 to 25. Graduation. Single word that encapsulates countless emotions, memories, and dreams. G. For goodbye, a temporary parting, not an end. R. For relive these moments in your hearts always. A. For always keep in touch no matter what. D. For dude, can you believe we're actually graduating? U. For unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. A. For as we end this journey, we embrace the lessons learned. T. For time truly flies when you're making memories. I. For I will hold dear each moment and every one of you. O. For onward we go with courage and determination. N. For new chapters await. The corridors of Oasis will soon grow quieter, missing the laughter, camaraderie, and the unforgettable moments we've shared. From the inside jokes that would set us off into fits of giggles to the overly enthusiastic hi every morning that brought smiles to tired faces. From the relentless efforts on projects to love notes we left on you-know-which teacher board on a regular basis. These memories will forever remain etched in our hearts. This school is more than a building. It has been a home. And these graduates beside me, they're not just my classmates, they're family. From our days in Montessori, navigating online classes together, to the adventures and challenges of high school, we have supported one another through every twist and turn, creating a bond that will endure. Take this as a threat or whatever, but y'all better keep in touch. A special thanks to our trustees, Ms. Amber and Ms. Aisha, for their vision and commitment in establishing this school. Without them, there would be no us. And the teachers, oh, hats off to the HR department for finding the best of the best. Without them, the puzzle would have been incomplete. From Leena Ma'am's loving yet terrifying threats and Shaheen Ma'am's witty humor, to Tasma Ma'am's unforgettable life lessons, Khudsya Ma'am's unwavering ASR expectations, and Habiba Ma'am's open door policy for all our complaints and rants. And let's not forget Zahir Sir's trust in us with responsibility. Each of my teachers, right from Montessori till high school, has left an indelible mark on me. Together, they have shaped the girl standing before you, guiding, inspiring, and empowering me every step of the way. Oasis has been a place of endless opportunities, from months to council roles, from sports fields to the classroom. Just as the theme suggests, this place has fostered our dreams. It has encouraged us to dare, to embrace the opportunities and accept the challenges that have raised us higher. One of my biggest challenges was MUN. Initially, I was utterly confused about the entire concept of it, wondering why we had to debate on problems we didn't even create. But thanks to the incredible mentors I've had here, what began as an intimidating activity soon became a passion I now carry forward with pride. MUN has taught me far more than just debating skills. It has shown me the power of persuasive language, the art of collaboration, and the importance of problem solving. My sports journey began with clumsy, carefree days in the jungle gym, slowly transforming into determined passion as I became an inter-school basketball player, guided by my amazing primary school coaches and further nurtured by my current coaches. Along the way, I've dabbled in other sports too. Oasis has never failed to provide us with ample opportunities to grow athletically, whether through tournaments, inter-house competitions, or even just the encouragement to try something new. Injuries, losses, and countless failed attempts at mastering a new trick have been my best teachers, instilling resilience and determination in me. Beyond personal growth, sports have strengthened the unbreakable bond I share with my peers. From the chaos of team selections to the infinite fouls and the occasional hilarious falls, every moment has added a cherished memory to my journey. When talking about personal growth, it seems unfair not to talk about the SLP. Oasis has always extended a giving hand, embedding empathy and leadership through initiatives like the Service Learning Program. My journey with SLP began in grade 3 when we made handmade blankets and delivered them to an orphanage. And in grade 5, where we built a rain garden. Grade 6 and 7, we continued creating change through online platforms due to lockdown. Those were the times I truly understood the joy of giving and the impact it can create. Participating in Bala Janagraha further honored our innovative thinking skills. Winning it wasn't just an acknowledgement of our efforts, but a celebration of teamwork, new bonds, and the joy of making a difference. Talking about joy, the field trips hosted here have been an incredible mix of education and entertainment. Right from grade 1 to high school, they've been a source of endless joy. Whether it was the wonder of visiting a chocolate factory in our early years, or the scientific exposure and the unforgettable memories from the Kupam trip, these experiences have left an indelible mark on our hearts. When it comes to academics, Oasis has been nothing short of phenomenal in creating aspiring A-stars achievers. The exceptional teaching methods and the unwavering availability of our teachers for doubt solving, whether early morning or even late at night, have been pivotal in shaping our academic journeys. If I stand here today as valedictorian, much of the credit goes to this campus and its faculty for balancing academic excellence with holistic development, nurturing us into well-rounded individuals. The Student Council has also been instrumental in helping us finding and refine our inner leaders. From being a grade 2 student council who struggled to keep her own class in order to becoming the Yellow House captain addressing a large crowd, my leadership journey at Oasis has been nothing short of transformative. Who would have thought the girl who could handle a classroom back then would one day organize events, lead fests, and manage teams with confidence and poise? Before I step down from the podium, I'd like to share a verse from a poem by Dr. Seuss. I believe suits this occasion better than no other. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own, you know what you know, and you are the one who'll decide where to go. So, to the class of 2024 to 25, as we step forward, let's carry the laughter, lessons, and bonds we've built. This is not just an ending, it's the beginning of everything we're meant to become. Congratulations to all of us and thank you.